guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessie and this channel is my little slice of the internet where I share my life with you. Today I'm doing a huge clean out of my closet and my dresser, so let's jump right in because this is going to take me a long time. I've got my hot chocolate, let's do this. So this is the master bedroom in our rental. I have a whole lot of clothes in here. This is the mum 6-drawer dresser from IKEA. And I also have a few things hanging up in here in the built-in robe. And then everything from this middle panel all the way to the wall is for my partner to deal with, and it's not my problem. So the first step is to pull everything out, put it on the bed and start sorting. So let's do that. Oh. I'm gonna need vision for this. Oh my god. This is insane. No person needs this much stuff. Well, there's no going back now, Annie. I'm not going to talk through every piece of clothing because that's going to take 7 years. Alright, let's time lapse. Christmas! These two are going to be really hard to part with because they are both the dresses that I wore on our first and second date. And I just love them. Okay, so this is where I start to struggle because this means a lot to me. This is a jumper from the Kentucky that I did in 2012. Yeah, 2012. And I went with one of my best friends and we've traveled so many times together since, and I can't wait to travel with her again. And this is why I have so much stuff. I'm so sentimental. But this, like, I can't part with this. And I still wear it sometimes, but I just love it so much. It makes me so happy. I have worn this thing to death. I think it might be time. Okay, that's all the hanging stuff sorted. So that's one chunk of the bed done, but there is so much more. Surely socks will be easy, right? Okay, I have halved my sock amount. I need a garbage bag. Things I'm going to just straight out donate will go in here. Yes. Whew. Okay. Why can't I make a decision about you? Okay. This was a horrible idea. These are so old that they're a really weird color now. Okay, that bag's full. Does anyone else just do really weird stuff in front of their dogs to see them make funny faces? I do. Okay, I love this color, but I hate these sleeves. Whenever I wear this jumper, my elbows were always cold. Who wants holes on their elbows? No one wants cold elbows. Oh, I loved this bodysuit to death. I never wear it. What's the point in keeping it? There isn't any. Okay, I am done. Well, I'm not done, I've sorted, which is the biggest part, so I'm mostly done. But oh my god, I'm exhausted. That took like 2 hours. 2 hours. Oh, my back is sore. Annie has left me. I'm ready to put this stuff away and feel so much better. I was ruthless. I have 2 huge garbage bags that are full to the brim, and I have way less stuff. I have a few orders from different companies coming that I will do videos on because I'm trying to find my style now. I'm not a teenager anymore. I am far from it, and my style is changing, and I'm just over a lot of the stuff I have. I want stuff that just suits my body and my age. And yeah, so I have a few orders coming that will turn into videos when I get them. But for now, let's put all this stuff away. Okay, so I am finally completely done. That took me like 2 hours and 10 minutes once I'd put everything away. I have gone through absolutely everything that I own, including my unspeakables, which I did not film because my family watches this content and they don't need to see my underwear. Hi, Mum. So these are my donation bags. They are full to the brim. I probably could have separated them out into 3, but oh well. I am a borderline hoarder. I am awful with getting rid of clothes and just things that remind me of certain times in my life, but it was about time that I was ruthless. I got rid of a lot of stuff that reminded me of happy memories or days where I felt really confident, but I don't need things to remind me of that. If a memory is powerful enough, it will stay up here. So these things can go to a new home where somebody really needs them, because I definitely did not need that many things. So now I'm at a point where my drawers have the bare minimum in them. My cupboard is full of mostly seasonal stuff, so most of that I'm not going to wear until the middle of next year. And I can wait for the parcels I mentioned earlier to arrive so that I can try new things on, figure out my style that I like now and what suits my body now, and then I can go from there. When we move into the new house, I'll probably go through everything again and try and be extremely ruthless. But for now, I think I've done a very good job and I am proud of myself. Okay, well, I am gonna go wash all the cat fur off my body. Let me know what you thought in the comments down below. When was the last time you purged your closet? It's probably overdue. Please leave a like if you liked this video, and to show that you're super proud of me as well. And subscribe to my channel to see more from me in the future. Bye, guys. Hello. Hi. There's another fly. I give up. I'm just going to be covered in fur. And he does not look happy. Let's show the people how grumpy you are. Alright, let's get this tidied so you can have your bed back. Help me. High five. Okay. She booped me with her head. Oh my god, I'm sweating. Ugh.